Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find any channel on YouTube TV so you can start watching your favorite shows without wasting time. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your phone, smart TV, or go to tv.youtube.com on your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. Step 2. Use the search bar. At the top of the screen, tap or click the search icon, magnifying glass tilted left. Type the name of the channel, like ESPN, CNN, NBC, etc. Results will show live content, on-demand shows, and the channel itself. Tap the channel to start watching. Step 3. Browse the live guide. Go to the Live tab from the main menu. Scroll through the channel list on the left-hand side. Channels are arranged in the order you set under your preferences. You can also customize the guide by going to Settings, Live Guide, Edit to reorder or hide channels. Bonus tip: add channels to library. When you find a channel or show you like, tap plus Add to library. This way, YouTube TV will automatically record new episodes for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.